washing and drying laundry is now easier than ever. Washing and drying machines equipped with advanced technologies make our daily tasks easier and save energy. Today we'll take a look at the 3 best washers and dryers of 2025. Samsung Bespoke WD53DBA900HZ, GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS, and LG WM6998HBA. Which model best suits your needs? Let's get started. First on our list is the Samsung Bespoke WD53DBA900HZ, which boasts a modern design and advanced technologies. Technical specifications. Samsung Bespoke can easily wash and dry large loads with its 6.1 cubic feet of ultra capacity to easily wash and dry large loads. AI Opti Wash and Dry technology automatically selects the optimal wash and dry settings by detecting fabric type and soiling level. Plus, the Flex Auto Dispense system dispenses just the right amount of detergent and fabric softener to save money and deliver superior cleaning. Design and comfort. Samsung's Auto Open Door feature makes it easy to use by signaling when the process is complete. In addition, the appliance's 7-inch AI Hub LCD display provides user-friendly control. Its modern and sleek design blends into any interior. Energy and cleanliness. AI Energy Mode saves energy, while automatic cleaning features such as Self-Clean Plus and Self-Dry keep the appliance long-lasting and hygienic. Ideal for who? Perfect for large families or frequent laundry users. In second place is the GE Profile PFQ97HSPVDS, which stands out for its technological innovation. Technical specifications. This model is suitable for large loads with a capacity of 4.8 cubic feet capacity, suitable for large loads. With ventless inverter heat pump technology, it has a vent-free design and improves energy efficiency. Plus, the My Setting feature saves the most frequently used settings, saving time. Design and comfort. With the Eco-Cool cycle, GE Profile saves energy by using cold water while cleaning as efficiently as a hot water cycle. The appliance's performance is always optimized thanks to the easy-to-clean lint filter. User experience. The ability to operate from a standard 120V outlet and no ventilation required makes this appliance ideal for users looking for flexible installation options at home. Ideal for who? Perfect for users who value technology and prioritize energy saving. Last but not least, let's take a look at the LG WM6998HBA, a model with outstanding performance and modern features. Technical specifications. With a 5.0 cubic feet capacity, this model can easily wash and dry large loads. AI fabric sensor and smart pairing technology automatically detects the type of fabric and selects the most suitable wash/dry settings. In addition, the Easy Dispense system automatically dispenses the right amount of detergent. Design and comfort. LG's Allergen cycle provides extra protection for sensitive skin by eliminating allergens. LG Thin Cube technology allows you to control and monitor your appliance over Wi-Fi. User experience. Users praise LG's energy-efficient technologies and practical use. With its sleek design, this model offers both a functional and aesthetic solution. Ideal for who? A great option for modern users looking for smart technology and high capacity.